Welcome students. This is Social Science class 7th standard History lesson number 1, the Vijayanagar Empire. In my last previous videos we have discussed about the role of Vijayanagar Empire, how it has extended its empire in South India. The contribution of Vijayanagar Empire became more popular in the field of political, economic, social, religious, cultural, art and architecture. The role of Devaraya II, he also got the title Proudadevaraya, and the Sangama, Salva, Tuluva, Aravidu dynasties, administrations, and the famous important ruler Krishnadevaraya, and the art and architectural glorious contributions we have discussed about this lesson. Now, let us discuss about the important question and answers about the Vijayanagar Empire. First one, fill in the blanks. Now, I will give you the answers about the Vijayanagar Empire. First main, let us discuss about fill in the blanks. Military leader of Devaraya II who defeated Sri Lankan king and received tribute is Lakkanna Dandesha. 2. Krishnadevaraya married Gajapati Prataparudra daughter Jagan Mohini. 3. In Vijayanagar kingdom, Varaha was a gold coin. 4. Foreign traveler who said all religions coexisted peacefully in Vijayanagar kingdom was Barbosa. 5th, art and sculpture of Vijayanagar was the evolutionary form of Dravidian style. Percy Brown said this. 6th, Vijayanagar Empire was founded in 1336 CE. 7th, Hampi was the capital and their national emblem was boar or Varaha. Vijayanagar Empire was ruled by the 4 dynasty. 9th, Harihara was the first king of Sangama dynasty. 10th, Devaraya II was the famous king of Sangama dynasty. 11th, Madura Vijayam was written by Ganga Devi. 12th, Abdur Razak was a Persian ambassador. 13th, Saluva Narasimha was the founder of Saluva dynasty. 14. Veera Narasimha started the rule of Tuluva dynasty. 15th. Krishnadevaraya was the famous and greatest king of Vijayanagar Empire. 16th. Agriculture was the main occupation of the people of Vijayanagar. 17th. Krishnadevaraya got the title called Andhra Bhoja. 18th. Battle of Rakkasatangadi was fought on the banks of Krishna river. 19th. During the reign of Vijayanagar, infantry, cavalry, elephant and cannon divisions were the prominent division of army. 20th. Lepakshi temple was called Shaivas Ajanta. So these are the important fill in the blanks you have to remember about this lesson. Next main, I'll give you the answers for match the following. Ganga Devi, Madura Vijayam. She is author of Madura Vijayam. Devaraya II, Gajabentigara is his title. 3. Krishna Devaraya, Andhra Bhoja. He got the title as Andhra Bhoja. 4. Sringeri, Vidyashankar Devalaya. So Vidyashankar Devalaya is in Sringeri. So Ganga Devi, Madura Vijayam, Devaraya II, Gajabentigara, Krishna Devaraya, Andhra Bhoja, Sringeri, Vidyashankar Devalaya. So these are the important answers you have to know under match the following. Now I will give you the question and answers regarding Vijayanagar Empire. First one, who is the founder of Vijayanagar Kingdom? The founder of Vijayanagar Kingdom was Harihara and Bukkaraya. Name the dynasty that ruled over Vijayanagar Empire. Vijayanagar Empire was ruled by 4 dynasties. They are Sangama dynasty, Saluva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty, Aravidu dynasty. Third one, name the famous king of Sangama dynasty. Praudadevaraya or Devaraya II was the famous king of Sangama dynasty. Fourth, name the famous and greatest king of Vijayanagar kingdom. Krishnadevaraya was the famous and greatest king of Vijayanagar kingdom. Fifth, when did Rakkasatangadi war take place? Rakkasatangadi war took place on 23rd January 1565 CE. It began between the united army of sultans and the army of Vijayanagar on the banks of Krishna river. 6. Name the products exported during the period of Vijayanagar ruler. Rice, cotton, cloths, musk, sugar, iron, diamond, sandal and spices were the products exported during the period of Vijayanagar rulers. 7th, name the important products imported during the period of Vijayanagar rulers. Horses, silk cloths, mukmal cloths were the important products imported during the period of Vijayanagar rulers. 8th, name the festivals celebrated in Vijayanagar kingdom. Dasara and Deepavali were the festivals celebrated in Vijayanagar kingdom. 9th, name the musical creations works of Krishnadevaraya. Some of the musical works of Krishnadevaraya are Jambavati Kalyana, Madalasa Charitam, Rasamanjari and Amukta Malyada are the important works of Krishnadevaraya. 10th, name the foreigners who visited Vijayanagar. Persian ambassador Abdur Razak, Robert Swell, Barbosa Domingo Pios, Percy Brown were the foreigners who visited Vijayanagar. 11th, name the important temples of Vijayanagar kingdom. The important temples of Vijayanagar kingdom are Virupaksha temple in Hampi, Hazara Ramaswamy temple, Vitala Swami temple, Krishna Swami temple, Kamala Mahal, Sringeri Vidyashankar temple are the important temples of Vijayanagar kingdom. 12th, name the sources of income for the Vijayanagar kingdom. Major source of income for the Vijayanagar kingdom are trade tax, professional tax, road tax, fair tax, export tax and tribute in cash. 13th, name the main crops grown in Vijayanagar kingdom. Rice, maize, sugarcane and cotton crops were the main crops grown in Vijayanagar kingdom. 14th, name the musical creations of Krishnadevaraya. Dakshinadi music, which is now introduced as Carnatic music, was the musical creation of Krishnadevaraya. Write a note on Krishnadevaraya conquest. Krishnadevaraya was an uncommonly brave king, intelligent soldier and diplomatic expert. First point. Second, he defeated his enemies and extended his empire in South India. Third, he seized Shivanasamudra fort from Ummattur chief Gangaraja in 1510 CE. Fourth, he supported Portuguese to capture Goa from Bijapur. Fifth, later he won Raichur fort. Sixth, in 1513 CE, he won Udayagiri fort. Then in 1518 CE, he captured Cuttack, the capital of Gajapati Prataparudra, a Kalinga king, by defeating him and married his daughter Jagan Mohini. 7th, in 1522 CE, he recaptured Raichur from the king Adil Shahi, king of Adil Shah, Ismail Adil Khan. 8th, later he captured Kalaburgi, Bidar fort. 9th, Krishnadevaraya got released, the son of king who was imprisoned by Bahamani Prime Minister, and restored him to power in Bidar. 10th, for this he got the title Yavana Rajya Pratisthapana Charya. So these are the main important conquest of Krishnadevaraya. 16th one, make a list of literary works of Vijayanagar period. During the reign of Vijayanagar, literature of Sanskrit, Telugu and Kannada literature developed immensely. Vidyaranya wrote Shankara Vijayam and Sarvadarshana Sangraha. 2. Sayanacharya wrote Vedartha Prakasha and Ayurveda Sudhanidhi about Ayurveda. 3. Ganga Devi wrote Madhura Vijayam. 4. Praudadevaraya wrote great drama called Sudhanidhi. 5th. Krishnadevaraya wrote Jambavati Kalyana, Madalasa Charitam, Rasamanjari. 6th. Kumaravasa wrote Gadugina Bharata. 7th. Ratnakaravarni wrote Bharatesha Vaibhava. 8th. Chamarasa wrote Prabhulinga Leele. 9th. Lakkanna wrote Shivatattva Chintamani. 10th. Bhima wrote Basava Purana. So these are the main important literary contributions during the Vijayanagar period. Write a short note on Rakkasa Tangadi battle. On 23rd January 1565 CE, the Rakkasa Tangadi war began between the united army of sultans and the army of Vijayanagar on the banks of Krishna river, and Ramaraya died in the war. Second, Sultanates looted Vijayanagar. Tirumala and Venkata, sons of Ramaraya, who escaped from the war and ran away to Penugonda. 3. Later, Aravedu dynasty started their ruling from 1570 to 1646 CE by making Penugonda, Chandragiri and later Vellore as their capitals. So these are the 3 long answers you have to remember about Vijayanagar kingdom. Thank you, children.